Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Westie's Adventures. My name is Amanda, and today we are on the Norwegian Escape doing a room tour. And you're thinking, wait a second, Amanda, I thought you worked for Carnival. Yes, absolutely, I work for Carnival, but from time to time, it is important to shop and experience your competitors so we know how to speak to it. So let's get started. This will be the first of many videos to come, so make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel, Westie's Adventures. Today we are on the Norwegian Escape, and I'm going to give you a room tour of the standard balcony, room number 9168. Don't mind me, I've only had 2 drinks. So give me 1 second, I'm going to switch you. So you'll see here on the Norwegian Escape, your hallways are a little bit more narrow, but you have this little cubby area for your rooms. So here's our decor. Just some pictures of our past cruises. All right, let's take a look inside. Pretty standard cabin. I was a little bit surprised just simply because we sailed on the Mardi Gras last year, as you know, and everybody was talking about how small the balcony staterooms were. This one, I feel, and my husband feels, is a little bit smaller than that one. So, and it may be the same size, but just things are different. So like, for instance, this TV is a decent size, but it's still smaller than what we had on the Mardi Gras. So just to give you a heads up, you do have your 3 plugins right here. And you also USBs by your bed. So, which is nice, so you can charge your phones at night. You have all your lighting right there, which is nice. We have our standard couch. This is a little different. So, you know, I'm typically a Carnival girl, so I don't do a whole lot of Norwegians. This is my second Norwegian. The closet space is, you know, it's small. It's small compared to Carnival. You normally have at least 3 or more closets for a balcony stateroom. So we definitely utilized all of our space. But you know, it was still perfect. I'm not saying it wasn't enough space because we utilized it all, but you see our room is clean. This is day 2. And it's not cluttered at all. Typically we're a little slobbier, but you'll see you have your cabinets down here that offer you some more storage. So you have no drawers whatsoever, no drawers in the stateroom. So little different. Again, you do have your mini fridge. So we'll let you know that they do not have bottled waters on the ship. Okay, they have cartons of water, each one $5.50, or you can buy a package. You can get a 12 pack for like $30 and a 24 pack for $50. We're traveling with a large group, so we did, hey guys, we did more. We did a large package and just divided it. So it was worth it because it's not worth paying $5.50 per bottle for the entire cruise. We're on here for 7 days. So again, I always tell my first time cruisers, as you know, I'm a PVP for Carnival. And my first time cruisers always ask me, like, what do I need to bring? What should I bring? Always tell them the metal hooks, and this is exactly why. As you see, we hang them from the ceiling and the walls, and we hang our stuff to just kind of get it out of the way. Our big suitcases can absolutely fit under the bed, as you'll see. We do have a balcony. My husband's out there hanging out, and we're kind of balcony snobs now. We do love the balcony. But let's take a look at the bathroom. We are in a room that's adjoining. My parents are next door. We did not know that it was adjoining, but it ended up being okay since we know them. I wouldn't really want an adjoining door if I didn't know the people next to us, but the bathroom is a great size. You'll see that we have plenty of storage space. Again, we've unpacked our hygiene bags and everything. So plenty of space for a 7-day cruise. We do have the glass showers, and it's pretty roomy. You know, for a cruise, most of you know it's pretty tiny in cruise ship bathrooms. But yeah, it's your standard bathroom. Now, something that's a little bit different, if you don't know, the trash is inside this little cabinet here. Tissues are there, toilet paper is there. So, yeah, it's got everything that you need. and then some. You do have this little stool under here. Now, it acts as a table. You can take that off if you want to a softer seat. So that's kind of nice. And you do have another trash can there. And then down here, you have your blow dryer. So ladies, you don't have to pack that and take up space. Now, funny, I found a rock right above our safe, which was kind of cool. I've never found a rock before, so I'm super excited. And I found it, you guys. Oh, wait, where's the safe? Okay, the safe is here. Found it right up there. At first, I thought it was like a blue pile of putty, right? Because it was just this. I drew the face on it because I was like, I'm gonna draw a face on it and I'm gonna re-hide it. So that's what I'm gonna do. But let's take a peek at our view. This is something that's a little disappointing, honestly. I hate to sound snobby, okay? Because again, this is everything you need. You don't need anything more. But we were not advised that this is an obstructed view, sort of. We're on deck 9, so we're nowhere near the lifeboats. But as you can see, we cannot look straight down. There is a roof from the bar that is directly below us, which has kind of been another thing we're learning. We have a bar right below us and we can hear all the music and the parties at night. But we stayed out late enough that it didn't matter because it was closed by the time we came back. But if you are an early sleeper, do not expect to sleep until midnight because that's when it shuts down. So we are mid to front of the ship. So it's a great position. Right there's the bridge, as you can see. It's a beautiful, beautiful day today. We are going 22 knots, which they said is 25 miles per hour. And it's just been beautiful. It's been smooth sailing, and I hope I'm not jinxing it by saying that, but it's just been a beautiful, beautiful sailing so far. Now, we have had issues, and I'm going to do a different video about that later. But this was just a stateroom tour, and I just wanted to give you guys heads up on the stateroom tour, or the stateroom. Oh, also, you guys have your little tiny nightstand and little compartments there on each side of the bed. So I know some people like to have nightstands for their phones and stuff. And like, again, like I said, you have your phone jack right there. We do the hooks again. This is hooks. We hang our hats and bags and everything else. And oops, I just dropped my husband's hat. Fired. I do like their decor, which is nice. Oh, one other thing I always tell my first time cruisers, and it could be a great reminder for those of you who don't or use cruise a lot. Don't forget your poopery. Like I said, these bathrooms are tiny. The rooms are tiny. You will not regret bringing your poopery. But my husband is desperately trying to stay out of the shot. All right. Oh, you're in the shot anyway. Let's just say bye. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching my standard balcony room tour on the Norwegian Escape. Please stay tuned in the coming weeks as I have lots more videos from this trip, including a full ship tour of the Norwegian Escape and everything it has to offer. Pros and cons of this trip, and trust me, there are a lot and you don't want to miss that. As well as an excursion video on all the different things that we did in the Dominican Republic, St. Thomas U.S. Virgin Islands, Tortola British Virgin Islands, and NCL's private island, Great Stirrup Cay. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on my videos. And until then, happy adventures.